So you've just received your Fontana oven, and what are the next steps to get it up and running? You want to make sure that you have plenty of help to be able to lift the oven onto either the cart or onto your countertop. You want to make sure that the fuel source that you have is correct. So if you buy one of our hybrid ovens or one of our gas ovens, every single one of those is preset for propane. If you're going to be hooking it up to natural gas, you need to make sure that you have a plumber, a certified tech that is there to be able to convert it to natural gas. There will be some changes that need to be made for you to be able to use it with that fuel source. Also, whenever you're setting it up, you don't need to season it whatsoever. The oven is pre-seasoned, which is wonderful. So after you take off the laser film, after you set it up in place, after you remove everything from the inside that might need to be removed, components and otherwise, you're really ready to use the oven. But one of my recommendations is take the stones out and maybe use a broom, really kind of brush those off. If you have a shop vac, vacuum it off, because they are masonry. They will rub up against each other. They will generate some sand or sediment, and nobody wants your dough to touch that. This is going to be with any product on the market. So you want to make sure that those are nice and clean before you place them in your oven and you start to cook your very first pizza.